What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today I will be doing a basic high skin fade, min bun on top, fresh lining in the forehead. By the way, shout out to Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop. What's up? Welcome to the States. Shout out to Jose the Barber, Vic the Barber in the building. What's up? If you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting that you subscribe right now. If you're already a subscriber, I thank you. I think all of you guys would take the time to write beautiful comments to keep me motivated to keep working on a new phenomenon. The all detachable blade haircut tutorial channel is a movement. Let's go! As you already know my style, the other side of the haircut has already been completed. Just the same time, and I'm excited. By the way, a gentleman today contacted me about taking my class, texted me earlier. He or she didn't leave a name, but it's all good. As soon as I got a chance, I will get back. What's up? Chicago, what's up? I'm excited. All detachable blade haircuts are easy. Let me adjust the camera right quick. It might be a little too bright. Boom, boom. Here we go. That's much better. All detachable blade haircuts are easy, but you got to do at least thousands of them. To master the art of all blade cutting is a commitment. Many start, many never finish. There's only a handful of people around me that can do stuff like that. Barber Illuminati. My client is in a hurry, so I gotta hurry up and finish his haircut so he can move on with his life. Alright, I'm going to create my first guideline with the OA blade. Quickly. It's a high skin fade. I kind of ball them out a little low so I can stretch the blend. That's why I do that. I could have ball them out a little higher, but I let my blend nice and stretched, nice and soft. That's my style. This is our OA blade. Now into it, I'm gonna start blending into it with my 000 at an angle, as usual. Here we go, 000. Get in there. Then my 5-0 at an angle, below the 000, get in there. Then I'm going to apply my T outliner to thoroughly remove the bottom line. Then a little bit of my shaver. From time to time I have to do that, depending on the hair texture. Very soft this time. Boom. All right. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the OA. Not too much of it. Out of habit. I like my blend nice and clean. So usually I repeat the same steps. I'll go over it at least 2 times. Okay? I just put the OA down. This is a 000 at an angle. Then the 5-0. Lastly, the T outliner. Boom. All right, I'm gonna move to the next level. As you can see, around the ridge area, I had already taken the side down with a 1.5. I'm gonna use my 1A to blend into the 1.5. Let's go. This is a 1A blade. Upside down this time to make sure all the little hairs is included. 1A, blade at an angle, blending, fading, angle, angle, angle. Then my 1. Get in there, behind the 1A. This is my 1, sorry, below the 1A. The OA below the 1. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1A, quickly. One A, then the 1 below the 1A, get in there, at an angle, 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 angle. OA, below the 1. As you can see, when the blades get cut in the client's scalp, he got some very big pores. God bless him. Boom. Now here comes the 000. A little bit of the 50 is needed. I'm somewhat in a hurry. This is a client I always wanted to be, wanted to feature on my channel. I finally had my chance. Unfortunately, we have a limited amount of time, but we're making it work. This is the T outliner below the 50. All right, just a little bit of that steps. I'm gonna start with the 1, just right in the middle. I see a little bit of flaws. I'm gonna take care of it right quick, and then we're gonna do the lining, and we're done here. Okay, this is the 1 blade below the 1A. Then a little bit of the OA. I think that should do it. Boom. All right. I'm going to do the lining on the left side. And that's it. Little camera adjustment. Boom. All right. I'm using an Andes old school T outliner. It's not cordless. My corded one needed a little repair. I had to put it down. The blade needed to be adjusted. I don't have the time, so I had to put it down and go back to my old school one. And it's all good. I'm getting the job done. A good man.
How you doing?
Life is good. About yourself?
Not bad.
I'll be right with you.
There you go.
Victor Bobby, don't worry about it.
Sure.
I'm positive. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. This gentleman here is a subscriber himself. Maybe sometime in the future we'll feature him doing his thing on the Bobby Illuminati channel. As of now, this is all the time we have. I'm gonna do a quick spin, then we're gonna just keep it moving. All right, I'm gonna zoom the camera out a little bit. As you can see, all the clips and the men band going on up there. It's all good. This is a quick spin of the entire work. It's looking beautiful. I'm excited. Oh my God. Wow. 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 I'm telling you, this is crazy. This is bananas. Wow. Wow. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.